This is a balloon at room temperature. These are the particles inside the balloon. They're close together and not moving that fast. We are going to heat this balloon for 5 minutes and see what happens.
5 minutes later.
This is a balloon after 5 minutes of heating. Here are the particles inside the balloon. The balloon is bigger because the particles are moving faster and hitting each other harder. The air particles are expanding, causing the balloon to get bigger.
5 minutes later, baby.
This is a balloon after 5 minutes of cooling. Here are the particles inside the balloon. The balloon is smaller because the particles are moving slower and hitting each other less. The air particles are contracting, causing the balloon to get smaller. This is the clay at room temperature. These are the particles inside the clay. The particles are slightly vibrating, but not that much. We're going to heat the clay for 5 minutes. This is the clay after 5 minutes of heating. A bubble has formed on the clay because the particles are vibrating faster and hitting each other harder, causing the clay to expand. Now we are going to cool the clay for 5 minutes. This is the clay after 5 minutes of cooling. The bubble on the clay has gotten smaller because the particles are vibrating less and hitting each other less, and it's causing the bubble to contract. This is the water at room temperature. It's 2 cups. These are the particles inside the water. The particles are moving somewhat. We're going to heat the water for 5 minutes. This is the water level after heating for 5 minutes. It's a little over 2 cups. Here are the particles inside the water. The particles are moving faster and bumping into each other more due to an increase in kinetic energy, causing the liquid to expand. This is the water level after cooling for 5 minutes. It's a little less than 2 cups. These are the particles inside the water. The particles are moving less and bumping into each other less often due to a decrease in kinetic energy, causing the liquid to contract. Gas always fills their containers. Solids sit at the bottom of their containers. As you can see, liquid changes its shape to fill the bottom of its container. Tell your dad we're heating this in the microwave for 1 minute, please. About her dad. Gosh! Oh my goodness! Maddie, you guys, Carter has to be sick. Where's the Play-Doh?
Hello, Mr. Please.